Okay, we've made a slight design change. I don't know if you could notice it. Should be a little obvious, but not very. But my sconces have brass in them. My chandelier has brass in it. So I wanted to bring a little brass into the room. So I got new handles. Old handles. New handles. I like them better. They're just a little schnazzier. Of course, I forgot you need them a 1/4 inch bigger, the screws, to do your drawers. So I got stuck on the project, but I did get a number of them done. So we are moving along, but I do like them much better. They just give that little touch of brass that the kitchen needed without going overboard. Just to bring the brass in here, you know? But we're getting there. And I emptied the table in there. Things are moving along, progressing slowly. Unfortunately, the panel next to the refrigerator has to come out because it's got a scratch. So I've got to empty all these cabinets, all of them. So I've not been rushing to finish putting my kitchen back together because all of these cabinets around the refrigerator need to get emptied. So I'm pretty much at the frustration point. So things aren't fully put away yet. But what's the point? Because I have to pull everything out. But yeah, I do love my new handles. I just think they add a little something something.